Go ahead, you lead.
Good.
I'm gonna bust a moto vlog right now. I need you in my sights.
First scenes right now.
Why'd you eat too much breakfast? Would you have like 3 plates of food? Another beautiful day in Oregon City, Oregon. Well, you're just all over the place, aren't you? What's going on, everybody? Oregon Motorcycle back on another beautiful Sunday. Just want to give a thanks to everybody that is subscribed to my channel lately. Got a lot of subscribers lately and a lot of views lately, but only like 10% of the viewers are subscribed, so that's kind of funky. So if you guys are watching this video and are not subscribed, why don't you hit that subscribe button for me, and let's get a couple hundred more subscribers, maybe by the end of the month. Anyways, guys, we are going out today to do a little practice with Brendon here next to me on the jigsaw. You guys know who he is. I think he's gonna try to drag an elbow today. He's gonna go beyond the knee dragger and see if he can get an elbow down. I think he can do it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think he can. He got really close last night in the rain. I posted it on my Instagram this morning. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool video. We were out there last night. Boy, it was cold and it was wet, and he's out there dragging his knee. He got pretty close with his elbow, but check it out. So the CV500X is running awesome. I put a USB right here, which has the voltage and it charges, and I'm running that off my relay. Man, I got my balavaca in my mouth right now. I know the correct name for my headstock now, thanks to one of my viewers. And what was I saying? Oh, my USB. My USB is awesome. It displays the voltage and charges my stuff. And oh yeah, okay, I'm running this off my relay that I installed, and if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. It's up here in the corner right now. Fellow adventure rider on the Tiger. Are you listening? Are you there? Oh, okay. Do you want to say hi? Okay, he's being rude. That's all right though. He's concentrating. He's getting focused right now on the elbow touching the ground. Elbow to asphalt, asphalt to elbow. I know, me too. I better focus more. All right, we'll see you guys at the parking lot. I don't know. I texted him and told him we were coming out here. I figured he might be out here already. That sounds so cool in my headphones. You can just do that all day long. Slip there, right? Yeah. You're in first gear?
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Are you not getting dizzy?
Huh?
You're not getting dizzy? There it is. There it is. Yeah. You are the man. I told you it was going to happen. I told you before we left. I was like, if you come out here today, you're going to scrape your elbow. I know it. Awesome, dude. That was sweet.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Yeah. Did it leave a mark?
I don't know, did it? I barely touched it.
Oh, a little bit.
I didn't want to leave my leather.
I know, but you did. You touched it.
I pushed this thing way past the point I thought it was going to tip over. Like 15 degrees over the best.
Tell everybody how long you've been riding street.
I bought my first street motorcycle on February 26th of 2019.
And today is February what? The 9th?
Is it the 9th?
I think so, 2020. So right
Or is
at
it the
almost a year. It's the 9th, I think.
Pretty close. Pretty close. And most of that advancement really has been right here because, you know, going on group rides, that was a big elevator in my ability. But then coming to the parking lot, you know, I've been here 5 times. Has it been about 5 times, I think?
Yeah, good solid runs. We've come here and left before because it's been too wet, but.
Right.
But okay, so yeah, parking lot has like dramatically improved our skills, right?
Yeah, you practice so much of the fundamentals at low speed, and you can really feel the bike, and you get all that out of the way here, so there's enough room. If I slide out, you know, we take away those roadblocks, because, you know, if you're on the street or even if you're on the track, nobody wants to freaking crash on a track. You know, you got other riders zipping by you at 150 miles an hour on 20. Here I can slide out at 20 miles an hour and it'll slide for a little bit. I'll be okay. You know, stunners do it all the time. So not that there isn't risk, there's risk, but you have a lot less risk. So.
Sweet. Okay, what would you tell somebody that wants to try this? Where would they start at?
Oh God, I don't know. I don't think I want to give advice to
people. Well, what was the first things you did? Like, it was all about like learning body position, right?
Okay, so as a method, you start out just doing what you're comfortable doing, right? You get into a circle. This is where I learn a lot. Just start riding in a circle if you're pushing lean angle, right? You can learn a lot of other things too, just trail braking. Keep it simple, do one thing, right? Get comfortable doing that one thing, like riding in a circle at a pace that you're comfortable with. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna run into a roadblock where fear starts to get in your way. What you want to do is you want to push it kind of like you are stretching a muscle. So you want to lean into it just a bit, right, to where you start feeling discomfort, and then just kind of like bask in that discomfort a little bit, and then pull back, get comfortable again, and then when you try and push it again, you'll notice that you can push it further, and you know, next thing you know, you're going to be dragging an elbow.
Awesome. Sweet. Sweet. All right. You guys heard it from him. Doing it on the Gixxer 750, baby. Yeah. I got it on zoomed in, that's right. Still. Until next time, folks. Oregon motorcycle. All right, turn that fucker off.